everyone, how are you doing? I am so excited because I recently received my Rocksbox, so I've been dying to open it. I seriously have like 12 boxes to open, and I want to open this one first because this is seriously one of my favorites. So if you do not know, Rocksbox is a jewelry rental subscription. It costs $21 per month, and I actually have a code so you could try your first month free if you want. No long-term commitments or anything like that. If you don't like it after a month, you can just cancel it. Definitely take advantage if you like what you see. But Rocksbox seriously has such a great array of jewelry on their website. I generally pick earrings because I enjoy that the most, but they have every different kind. You can get necklaces, you know, rings, bracelets, all of it. So they have great brands, and it's just so much more affordable than going out and buying pieces, because I don't know about you, but I get sick of things pretty quickly. I want something new, so this allows me to do it. I try and remember to send my old pieces back and get new things back to me once a month. They're pretty good about emailing you. They're not like harassing you or anything. They're just like, hey, you've had your set for a while. Are you ready to trade it in? And a really cool thing about Rocksbox is that $21 you spend every month can actually be applied to purchasing any item that you receive, and you already get a discount. So Rocksbox members get discounts on every single piece of jewelry. So seriously, I love this so much. I've been getting it for a while. I've only opened it a few times on my channel because there was a period of time where I just kept my pieces for way too long. I think I couldn't find them during my moving process and misplaced them and all that, but now I'm back on track, getting it about once a month. So Rocksbox comes in this bag every month, and this bag is awesome because it is reusable. So this, out of all my subscriptions, is the least wasteful. There's pretty much zero waste, because when you're ready to send it back, you just put everything back in this bag and you are able to reseal it. So that is super awesome. There's like another sticky line there, so I just put it away. Once I'm ready to ship things back, I reuse it. So it is super awesome. And you do have a stylist that picks things for you. On the website, you can add things to your wish list, and your stylist almost always picks items from your wish list if they're available. And you have about 24 to 48 hours once your stylist picks the items to either confirm your set, or you can swap items. So I do know what I'm getting this month. I kind of forget because that's just how my mind works, but I did swap like 1 or 2 items, I believe, because I think they were on to send me a necklace, but I just wanted earrings this time. But how cute is the box that this came in? It always comes in this box, all tied up cutely. And when I open it, this is what I see. Oops. Ready, set, sparkle. It says, "Hi Kitty, thanks for helping us style your set. I hope these pieces better suit your style. Uniquely shaped rhodonite is featured in these eye-catching Camden earrings. Keep the necklace simple to complement these bold dangles. Black enamel adds an edgy touch to the Momo hoops from Rudiment. They're perfect for a cool girl vibe. Enjoy." So the stylist just gave me some tips on my jewelry pieces. And then on the other side, so there's a note from the stylist. There's a little picture of all of my items I picked, and it tells you what the actual retail price is along with the member price. And then it tells me what I would pay if I kept everything. So you get a discount if you keep all 3 items, just so you know. So if you fall in love with your set, you get like an additional discount. I think if you get all, you save $10 more, so that is awesome. So I'll keep this nearby and I will reference it as I open my pieces. There is also a care card here, so it gives you some tips and stuff for how to take care of your jewelry. It says, "We strive to provide you with the highest quality pieces that with proper care will endure the test of time. To ensure the longevity of your jewelry pieces, please avoid contact with water, perfume, and other chemicals. Take jewelry off when showering, exercising, cleaning, etc. And use a soft jewelry bag to polish and store your pieces." So that is very useful and helpful. And then the jewelry pieces are wrapped up. There's a sticker that says, "Yay." So the first thing I see is by Kendra Scott. If you guys can even read that. I really do like Kendra Scott jewelry, and they have a wide selection, so if you do too, you will definitely like their website. Oh, is that what Kendra Scott looks like? There's a little piece in here. I never knew. Designer and CEO, and so it just talks more about her company in here. I won't read that all to you, but that's nice. I've never seen them include this before, and I just dropped it, so oops. Okay, these are so pretty. I hope you guys can see on camera since they're like white on white, but look at, aren't these gorgeous? And you can tell they're brand new even though this is a rental service because there is a price tag on them still. I've never noticed any of the jewelry like seeming like it's been used before. So this is a price tag of $75. That's crazy. So it says, yeah, these are the Kendra Scott Camilla earrings in golden ivory, mother of pearl. They have a retail value of $75. And it looks like this one does not have a discount on here. I'm not sure, these are brand new to the shop because they have new styles added and I kind of keep up with it and look at it. So I'm so excited to wear these. Maybe I'll put them on. I'm gonna try and film a lot of videos today, so I'll put those on for my next video, but we'll see what I like the most. So let's pull out the next piece. This is by Rudiment. Oops. And these are the Momo hoops in black, and these have a regular retail price of $65, but as a member, a Rocksbox member, you pay only $55 if you want to keep them. And these are the ones I was the most excited about when I was picking them out. So they're hoops, but when you look at the side of the hoop, maybe I'll be able to see better on this side. There's a design, it's like black, it's so pretty. I hope you guys can see, I'm not sure if you really can. But when I wear them, you'll be able to like see the hoops face forward, so you'll be able to see it. So they're super pretty. I'm super excited about those ones. I hope they are able to be seen on camera how pretty they are. And then there's this next item just in a Rocksbox bag. And this is by Ava Rose. This is the Camden earrings in gold and rhodonite. And these have a retail price of $70, but if you want to purchase it as a Rocksbox member, it is only $59. And these are cool. These are, and it says made with genuine stone. Aren't these pretty? I love them. And then at the bottom of here is a return label, so shipping is free both ways. So like I said, you reuse that bag, and when you're ready to ship them back, just stick the new label on there and put it in your mailbox or drop it off at the post office, and it's so easy. So let's go through my pieces again. I'm so excited. So we have the Kendra Scott earrings, so pretty. Here are the Ava Rose ones, and then we have the hoops by Rudiment. So I can't decide what I'm gonna put on first. I think I'm going out later, so yeah, this will be a tough choice because I think these are all so cute. So yeah, if you guys are interested in just browsing their website, I'll leave the link below, but that link will also automatically apply your first month free. So definitely check that out because I love it. I love the pieces I got this month. I'm so excited. I couldn't wait any longer to open this box. I've had it for a few days, so can't wait to rock my new jewelry. I don't have any jewelry on at all right now. I feel kind of naked, so I'm gonna go put some on. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.